So I am so excited today. We have such a great tour in store for everyone today. Very excited to show some of our beautiful residences here that we have that are part of the historic Adelphi Hotel.
Absolutely. And from the hotel, we can go in, check out a few rooms, take a look at all of the nice on-site amenities. We have a beautiful fitness center, beautiful game room, salon and spa, and I think it'd be really nice to check all of that out.
Yeah, let's go do it.
The Adelphi Hotel in Saratoga Springs, New York is a beautifully restored Victorian-era boutique hotel that seamlessly blends historic charm with modern luxury. Located at 365 Broadway in the heart of downtown, it stands as the last surviving grand hotel from Saratoga's 19th century golden age. The Adelphi Hotel's prime location in downtown Saratoga Springs places it just over a mile from the historic Saratoga Racecourse. The hotel has recently undergone an extensive expansion and beautiful renovation.
I'm Tatiana Antosky. I'm the marketing manager here for the Adelphi Hotel, Salt and Char, and Morrissey's Lounge. I just wanted to point out quickly, all of the facade you see here is all original to the building. All of the millwork on the columns here, all of the windows you see above the restaurants and throughout the hotel are all original from the 1800s. What makes the Adelphi Hotel so special is really its ability to blend our historic charm with timeless elegance. So the Adelphi Hotel has actually been here since spring 1877. It was one of the first hotels that was actually built on Broadway when Saratoga was kind of up and coming as a resort destination for the wealthy, the affluent, basically anybody who was kind of near within the area. Everyone would come up for the water, the mineral treatment, and the horse racing. So we've kind of come a long way from the beginning of 32 rooms to now where we home 65 rooms and 79 condominiums. So each of our 65 guest rooms here at the hotel are designed with the guest experience and preserving that history. So the renovation primarily focused on our historic aspect and keeping our historic features alive while also introducing some higher end technology and luxury amenities as well. A unique detail that the guests often comment about here at the hotel would definitely be our freestanding tubs and our bathrooms as a whole. They're wildly over the top and magnificent. They have every amenity you could ever need in there.
We also asked about the many amenities at the hotel, including the amazing restaurants.
We have a full roster of incredible amenities. We have a gym, a fully state-of-the-art fitness center. We have spa treatment rooms, as well as an on-site spa, med spa, hair salon as well. We have an abundance, really, of event spaces. We've got a ballroom, atrium, an outdoor 3-season pergola, which can be used for dining or special events. And then we also have a conference center and a lounge, which can also be used for meetings, kind of just a communal space as well. Our most historic amenity, though, I will say, is our library. And then our restaurants, we do have 2 on-site world-class restaurants. We have Salt and Char, which is a farm-to-table steakhouse. They're open 5 to 9 pretty much every day of the week, and then Morrissey's next door is more of a casual bistro, traditional American restaurant. They're open 7 days a week for breakfast, lunch, dinner, as well as brunch on the weekends. In addition to our amenities, we also have a game room which is fully stocked. We have pool tables, card tables up there as well. Basically, if you need somewhere to hang out, enjoy, have a little fun, definitely the game room. Our 2 on-site restaurants, in addition to having beautiful indoor spaces, we also have Broadway patios for both. Salt and Char has a beautiful Broadway patio spanning the entire length of the restaurant, as well as Morrissey's, which their Broadway patio spans the entire length of the hotel.
You might fall in love with Saratoga Springs and decide to make it your home. The residences at the Adelphi Hotel offer a unique opportunity to experience luxury living in the heart of Saratoga Springs, New York. Developed by Beechwood Homes, this 6-story condominium complex seamlessly blends contemporary design with the historic charm of the adjacent Adelphi Hotel.
It's so exciting to be the salesperson for this project because there's really nothing else like it in Saratoga Springs or really anywhere around here. The fact that you are able to have access to all the amazing amenities of the Adelphi Hotel, which is such an iconic building in Saratoga. I mean, for me personally, growing up here in Saratoga, the Adelphi was always like the most famous crown jewel of Saratoga, and now that you can actually be a resident here as well is so amazing and really special. So one of the awesome things about this building is this beautiful lobby that we have on Washington Street, but this is like a really beautiful, quiet oasis to just come down here and hang out, meet your guests, and it's so beautiful facing south on Washington Street. Let's go upstairs and check out a condo. Absolutely. Yeah, so this is our very exclusive penthouse suites. The beauty of these condos is that they are overlooking historic Broadway of Saratoga Springs with just an outstanding view of all the beautiful architecture.
The residence shares amenities with the hotel, so it's like resort living in the heart of this vibrant town. The residences feature a variety of thoughtfully designed floor plans, ranging from studios to expansive 3-bedroom units and duplex penthouses. Michael Dubb and partner Larry Roth, along with Beechwood Homes, are the developers of the restoration of the hotel and the residences.
Well, actually, the vision really, I've done it downstate, where I've combined residential units with hotel so that the residential people have all the opportunities to benefit from what's in the hotel. And it's been wildly successful. People love the lifestyle. The real vision, the place I saw it, was the Plaza in New York. And that's what inspired me to do that model. It would be similar to a Four Seasons residence where you have the benefit of the hotel. So that was my inspiration.
So visit and discover the charm of Saratoga and the brilliantly reimagined Adelphi Hotel. Once you visit and decide you never want to leave, the residences might be a perfect spot for your forever home. Visit this extraordinary property online at beechwoodhomes.com/Adelphi-residences.